This is gonna be an old-fashioned clusterfuck right here. You're headed straight into some of the deadliest hours of American history, and it's gonna be uglier than an orangutan's afterbirth. The cornfield fight was one of the bloodiest clashes of Antietam. This one small patch of ground went back and forth between the Union and Confederates more than 11 times. By noon, there wasn't even a stalk of corn left standing. Now stick with your fellow soldiers. As sick as it sounds, they're your living body armor, and there's gonna be a lot of lead in the air. Remember, you ain't there for them. You're there to find Welsh. He'll be in the cornfield somewhere. You keep your eye out for him and get him out of there. Get clear of the battle and head toward Dunkard Church while avoiding Confederate patrols. We'll find a way to get you home somehow. In the meantime, follow orders, don't draw attention to yourself, and by God, don't try to be a hero.
That's a big old fight up there.
I say if they want that God-forsaken South...
Right on up ahead. Form up, boys. We're going in.
Form up, men!
Coming
In line! Keep together!
I once saw a guy get his arm blew clear off.
Let's move out. Bring it together, men. Up there, human, hit the staggered firing line. Pick your
nasty shit out there, huh? Isn't it great to fight at the Battle of Antietam, seeing how you missed it the first time around? Yeah, you can thank me later. Take this gun and engage in some numerical adjustment out there. That means you turn back the Confederate advance, bust open their line, find Welsh, and get both your asses out of here.
Confederates coming through the corn! The Rebs are making a push!
Stop them stinking Rebs!
Chase him down! Chase him down!
Making a push to take that Dunker church. I ain't keen on dying in this cornfield, so why don't we head up?
boys, over there!
Shaping up to be a real.
Oh! We got him! We got him now! Ah! Ah! Run him down! Don't let him get away! Ow! Oh! Oh, God! If dinner is boiled cabbage again, I'm gonna vomit.
Holy mother! What in the hell are those demons?
Come on, son. We gotta go. I'll figure out another way to get Welsh, but we're dead fucking meat if we stay here.
Dexter, I've just reviewed your mission report. I can't believe this. A direct intervention by unknowns trying to change history? I can't. There's no precedent for this. And you say your weapons just bounce right off them? Who are these interlopers? We must find out. I'll have the team here find out what they can. In the meantime, we should stay out of the Civil War. We still have a rendezvous opportunity with Petrovich just outside Frankenau.